Hi guys, this is Sally, art director at Avon, and today I'm gonna take you through my daily routine for Korean makeup. First, I always apply a primer. I'm using the ink lasting primer, and I have dry skin, but I love using this as it keeps my makeup set, minimizes my pores, and controls the oil and moisture on my skin all day. Then I use the Magix one in Marshmallow as my concealer. Sometimes I use it all over, but typically I just swipe it across my under eye and use the puff from the cushion to blend it out. I find that it perfectly targets the under eye area and has the full coverage that I'm looking for to brighten and conceal the dark area. I'm using the Face Shop Ink Lasting Cushion in N20 Neutral Light. It totally evens my skin tone and leaves my skin matte but still natural, if that makes sense. Glowy coral makeup is really popular in Korea, and I love how this blush leaves a perfect peach flush that's totally not overwhelming. I use Glimmersticks for my brows and use a spoolie brush to blend it out. I like to keep my eyes pretty neutral and keep the focus on my complexion and lips. For my eyes, I use the True Color Eyeshadow Quad in Naked Truth and Warm Sunrise. I use shade number 2 from Naked Truth for an overall base and 3 for the outer corner. Then I use 1 and 2 for Eyeshadow, which is like a teary, sparkly look, which is a key for Korean makeup look on the lower lash line. And I use number 4 to give my hooded lids some more definition. Then I go in with shade 3 and 4 of Warm Sunrise, going as close to my lash lines, almost creating a look of an eyeliner. I use the Glimmersticks eyeliner in Toasted to give my eye some definition. I love this eyeliner because it is waterproof, so especially for me with a monolid, I find that it doesn't transfer on my lids and leave me with raccoon eyes. Finally, I love a blurred gradation lip. What I do is apply the Face Shop Ink Tattoo in pure red across my bottom lip and blend my lips together to give it a nice stained look. Then I use the Face Shop Flat Velvet Lipstick in Mellow Curl to give it a pop of peachiness right in the middle to give it that blurred look. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this Korean makeup look. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below maybe what makeup look you want to see next time. Bye!